we get to set up a top rope on a quad, which you don't get to do much because there's not much bolting in Wisconsin. So that is going to be an absolute blast. So, setting up the static line right now so I can rappel down and set this quad up. And I'll get my dynamic rope flaked, dress these knots a little nicer, right on top of each other. Look at that. Oh, it works for me. Now the thing I'm curious on is how this rope is going to lie. I opted for this tree because it looked better than this one. Let's see if I made the right call. Rope! Nice. Our edge looks yeah, that edge looks awesome. I'm gonna switch the tree. I'm gonna put it on this one instead. Rope moved to this tree, which I like way more. Just a much better edge transfer. I'm not rubbing on this rock. Now, let's get this rope bag open. Look at that, it's beautiful. So we got a stopper knot at that end, tie a stopper knot on the other end. Let's untie this one. Pretty neat. Okay, so let's find the middle. Pro tip, honestly, if you don't want rope burn on your hands, just use a beaner. Look at that. And there's our middle. All right. Go ahead and set this guy back on here. And then what we can do is frickin' drape this guy down, just like that. And then I got my quad locker right there. We're ready. Nice. We have somebody killing it right now. So now I'll go ahead and get on Gree rappel. Throw that up here. Bada bing, bada boom. Get locked on. I'm in. Lock that bad boy up. Okay. And now, well, let's pause and let me clean up my stuff before we head down. All right, I'm on. Let's build this top rope anchor using a quad, which you're gonna see is an amazing way to do it. So I am just simply gonna rappel down to the anchor here. And then, boom. Look at that, nice. So now I'll tie a catastrophe knot, or a cat knot for short, which is just an overhand on a bite or a figure eight on a bite for safety, so I can go hands free. I will grab my quad, which we're honestly just gonna freaking boom and boom. Lock them up. Lock them up. Looks awesome. Let's get 2 beaners on this guy. Opposite and opposed gates. So the gates are opposite and opposed. Now, very carefully, I'm going to put this into one. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do a clove hitch. So there's my clove hitch. Ropes are coming down. And we'll send the ropes down. Got absolutely whipped in the face. Note to self, don't do that again. But we're all good. So now, do boom, Boom. Opposite and opposed. Locked up. Locked up. Looks good to me. Double check, double check, double check, double check. Sweet. We are set to top rope. Look at that. What a great, easy setup that was, huh? Freaking awesome. All right, now let's go down. You want me to pull these draws, Steve?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
What's that? Oh, I did. This looks like a fun route.
Yeah, it does.
Uh-huh. Like this part. This part right here for sure.
Yep.
Yikes, yeah. Huh. Dude, setting up a top rope with the quad?
Yeah.
Cash.
If you did you use my quad?
Yep.
Opposite opposed lockers?
Yep.
Lockers? Yeah.
I went right to the bolts instead of the non-lockers. Or to the chains, not the bolts. So it is. Yeah, the, what are they called? They're not technically chains.
Oh,
They're,
rubber draws?
yep, those things. So we're on a completely closed system. Yeah, buddy.
This should be the 5.7 PG-13.